The DJI Osmo Action 6 is poised to redefine the action camera landscape with its anticipated release. Building upon the strengths of its predecessors, this upcoming model is expected to introduce significant enhancements in image quality, stabilization, and user experience. Anticipated features of the DJI Osmo Action 6. 1. Enhanced image sensor. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to feature a new image sensor, potentially offering improved low-light performance and dynamic range. This upgrade aims to deliver sharper, more vibrant footage across various lighting conditions. 2. Advanced stabilization technology. DJI's rock-steady stabilization has been a hallmark of the Osmo Action series. The upcoming model is expected to introduce Rocksteady 3.0, providing even smoother footage, especially during high-intensity activities. 3. Dual battery options. Leaked information suggests the availability of two battery capacities, 1,770 mAh and 1950 mAh. This indicates the possibility of standard and pro variants, catering to different user needs and usage durations. 4. Improved connectivity. The Osmo Action 6 is anticipated to support Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Ensuring faster and more stable connections for seamless file transfers and remote control via the DJI Mini app. 5. Refined design and durability. While maintaining its compact form factor, the new model is expected to offer enhanced waterproofing and a more rugged design, making it suitable for extreme environments without the need for additional housing. Expected pricing and availability. Based on DJI's previous release patterns and market positioning, the Osmo Action 6 is projected to be priced competitively. Standard version, approximately $300 to $350. Best Buy. Pro version, approximately $450 to $500. An official announcement is anticipated in early 2025, with availability shortly thereafter. Direct hit target audience. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is designed for adventure enthusiasts seeking durable and high-quality recording equipment for outdoor activities, content creators requiring reliable and versatile cameras for vlogging and professional content production, casual users looking for user-friendly devices to capture everyday moments with exceptional clarity. Conclusion. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade in the action camera market. With anticipated advancements in image quality, stabilization, and user-centric features, it aims to meet the diverse needs of modern users. As we await the official release, the Osmo Action 6 holds promise for both enthusiasts and professionals alike.